The following morning, Rob is already at work with the John Deere 4955 and a 6-metre Lely power harrow. The mild, wet weather hasn't really broken down the land, and the power harrow is the ideal tool for creating a seedbed on here. The 4955 has ample power to run the power harrow, but it's still a relatively steady job to allow it time to work its magic. The 20.8 by 42 dual wheels were converted by Dave and bolt onto a flange welded around the rim. The front wheels have been swapped for some which track slightly wider and run between the rear wheels. A day later, and following an unexpected rain shower, Angus is drilling the grass using the Ford 6410 and a 4-metre Accord Pneumatic DL. This is the second pass over the field, running at right angles to the first to achieve a more even coverage. The 6410 weighs just over 3 tonnes and treads lightly. Being two-wheel drive, it's also very manoeuvrable on the headlands. Its tight steering lock allows Angus to quickly spin round and set into the next bout. The Accord was borrowed from a neighbour and is well suited to drilling grass. Its Suffolk coulters are able to achieve an even shallow depth. It dates from the early to mid-80s when Accord machinery was imported from West Germany by Ferranti Agriculture. Accord's first pneumatic drills had appeared in the late 60s, and the DL range went into production in 1977. It was extremely popular in the UK throughout the 80s and 90s.
Right, here we are at Elstone Farms in Crean St Mary. We've just drilled the field with grass. We're using a clover and grass mixture, 4-year lay it is. Drilling rate's about 16.25 kilograms a hectare, which we've done twice. We drilled the field both ways to cross each other. so we get a good even coverage, and then we're just going to roll up, and then hopefully it's going to rain at some point and the grass should come up.
With the drilling finished, Angus is rolling the grass in straight away to retain as much moisture as possible. The 614 was to hand and is still shod on the 800s, so it was hooked onto the 12.2 metre wide Opico Vari-Flex rolls. The tractor sounds particularly good lugging the rolls up the hill at these lower engine revs.